It's amazing. So it's all handmade, totally out of wood, hand painted. Looks like 4 books. For as long as the day follows the night, I will love you. And I don't know if you can see, but here it actually looks like pages of a book along here. It looks amazing. Let's have a look inside. This top one. Oh, it's so cute. And it's lined, all of it is lined. There is a secret compartment in there, but that's a secret. Okay. I don't want anyone stealing my jewels. Look. I don't know if you can see the ridge there, but that's for rings. Look. Now, Mr. Samosco just has to buy me lots of jewels. And that is my jewellery box. It's amazing.